Welcome to DrawColor. Today we are going to learn how to draw house and some interesting facts about houses. Homes come in many shapes and sizes. Some people live in houses, while others live in apartments, condos, or even mobile homes. Homes can be made from different materials like wood, bricks, concrete, and even straw in some places. A home is a special place where you feel safe and loved. It's where you spend time with your family and make wonderful memories. Inside a home, there are different rooms for different activities. There's a kitchen for cooking, a bedroom for sleeping, a living room for relaxing, and a bathroom for taking care of ourselves. Every home has an address that helps people find it. Addresses include a street name and number, and sometimes even the city and country where the home is located. People like to decorate their homes to make them look beautiful and cozy. They use things like furniture, curtains, paintings, and plants to add their own personal touch. Homes have doors and windows that can be locked to keep us safe. Smoke detectors and fire extinguishers help keep our homes safe from accidents. Homes protect us from the weather. They keep us warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Many families have pets that live with them in their homes. Pets like dogs, cats, birds, and fish are part of the family too. Building a home takes a lot of hard work. Architects design homes, and construction workers use tools like hammers and nails to build them. Homes can look very different in different parts of the world. Some homes are tall and have many floors, while others are small and cozy. What makes a home really special is the love and happiness shared by the people who live there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to DrawColor for more videos like this.